Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So this morning I'm gonna show you something very simple that I'm making. I have a bag of chopped spinach and some shrimp. I think it's called black shrimp. And then I have some simple seasonings, onion, garlic, scallions. And then I'm gonna throw some dry seasoning as well. But I'll show you as I go. So I have on this side a pot heating up with oil, and I'm gonna start by frying my seasonings up. So I'm just gonna throw everything in. I'm not gonna like just throw onions and then throw everything later. I'm just throwing everything in for now because it's just a simple dish. So we're just gonna fry these up for a little bit, and then we'll throw the shrimp and then a little bit of dry seasoning and salt. So it's been like 2 minutes, and I'm gonna put the shrimp in to fry with the onion and garlic and scallion. With a little bit of salt. I didn't measure, I just eyeballed it. So we'll just let this fry for a little bit. I'll add a little bit of sazon, not too much, because it's a small amount. Some parsley. Paprika, basil, and cayenne. I like to use sazon and everything, so I'm just gonna put just a drop of sazon, not the whole packet. Just a drop, not the whole packet. And we're gonna leave this to like fry for a little bit, and then we'll put the spinach. After a few minutes, I'm gonna add the spinach, and I use just a 10-ounce pack. It doesn't matter which brand, and it's frozen spinach. Just dump it in. So after adding the spinach, just give it a stir, a quick stir. The spinach, it cooks pretty fast. After you add the spinach, you just taste for salt, and if you need more, you just add a little bit more. And this mine need more. Add a little bit more, and then you just put a lid on the pot and just leave it to cook for maybe like 5 to 10 minutes, and then it's done. So it's been like 7 minutes, and it's done. This is the finished product. This is how it looks. You could eat this with like roti, rice, whichever you choose, but this is a quick meal, easy to make. Try the recipe. Bye.